Rồi đó, rồi trên cháu là phần cái Africa Union, Addis Ababa, cái mà mình lát cái mấy chị di Africa Union kan je gad ka South Sudan ke jame sang ya. Aja rồi yang bukan liang anta makana kene le berai ke jana si damandane termanyang, cerai ke ki damandan. Uku ya macana liang kel, tayama.
June 13th, 2025 Peace Dialogue Negotiations in A.U. The United Nations mission in South hard-won gains in the peace process. Peace monitoring body RJMEC raised alarms Thursday over rising violence and a lack of progress in implementing the country's fragile peace agreement, warning that trust between warring factions is eroding. Guang Cong, the UN Deputy Special Representative for South Sudan, told the African Union Peace and Security Council that recent clashes have undone. Since our last briefing to the Council, we have witnessed the continued erosion of the hard-won gains previously made in the peace process, including the trust and confidence built among the parties, Cong said, referencing the Revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, R-ARCSS. Despite calls for a ceasefire, Cong said fighting has continued, displacing more than 130,000 people since March, including tens of thousands who fled to Ethiopia. The violence has also disrupted humanitarian aid in conflict-hit regions. He blamed a pattern of violations and unilateralism for undermining South Sudan's unity government, which was formed to enact the peace deal. Cong urged the Security Council to push for an immediate ceasefire, the release of detained opposition leaders and full compliance with the peace agreement. He also called for investigations into ceasefire violations. The UN, he said, remains committed to working with the African Union and regional bloc IGAD to revive stalled peace efforts. Separately, the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission, RJMEC, warned the African Union Peace and Security Council that South Sudan's political deadlock risks further undermining national cohesion and the fragile peace agreement. Addressing the 1283rd AUPSC session virtually, RJMEC Chairperson Major General George Owenau said the country's situation continues to deteriorate, with the permanent ceasefire gravely undermined and the 2018 peace deal endangered. If left unresolved, this could further erode trust, national cohesion and reconciliation, reversing gains made in the past 6 years, Owenau said. He stressed the urgent need to resolve the impasse to allow for constitution drafting, security reforms and timely elections slated for December 2026. Tensions have been rising since February, fueled by a breakdown in working relations between President Salva Kiir and his first vice president, key partners to the 2018 peace agreement when security forces detained Machar on March 26 in Juba. His party called the arrest a violation of the peace deal that ended a 5-year civil war, which killed nearly 400,000 people. The arrest drew widespread condemnation, including from the African Union's Peace and Security Council, which demanded Machar's immediate and unconditional release, and urged guarantees for his safety and health.
No aja na charla kedolepan, kan te dial do, te charla dong chakun pinyo Bane tengkonan lon mal ke ba malat ke teden biga yikon berar ke teden tegan machar te tan kane jikor diana taga yen kel ka kora be mal dan lat ke boklo nyam ka chara da mala da bumano de ne to de mal japar ar ka teden kapet acha gwang bar cherena na mojara cha lapan Africa Union ateje mal ga dial te soko sa Sudan tegeten sara yang binyo ka Addis Ababa ke Ethiopia cái mal cái nén thấy chưa cả juba có bà mal bảo là chỉ cái bên cái theo phải chỉ có ra giống bộ phim nó bà này đial tên trai yên thì là quar ai đial bà cái luôn có mal bốc lô bata dan đã con linh gạt mal